Green nudges, or also we call them choice architecture techniques. These are changes in the decision making environment that affect our decision making, but without restricting freedom of choice. So people still have the freedom to act in any way they want, but we slightly push them in a certain direction. Often this is to promote more environmentally friendly behavior or more healthy behavior, and often this is in a way that people are not even aware of it.
We try to select that we have a really nice group of people who are coming from totally interdisciplinary fields. They're not related. If I start with design, we have industrial designers, graphic designers, information designers. Then we have people from archaeology, linguistics, software development, biotechnology, urbanism, architecture, even musicology, psychology, food manufacturing, textile design, textile engineering, culture in culture anthropology, and environmental psychology.
I feel like all of us are used to seeing the research process itself through a different lens, and we are also taught and used to focus on different aspects of it, but it was also a very benefiting experience, because in that way we could also see maybe what we are lacking, how we can complement also these areas that we might not be usually focusing on. So for example, somebody is more oriented to the scientific aspect, to some statistics, some take special consideration for empathic design, how users might feel in the process, how it affects the environment and the greater picture, and it was very important to incorporate all that, even though if at times it was first conflicting, it was important to find that common language between us, and I think we managed to do that.
I think for me it was really nice that we got to work hands-on with the employees of the directorate. So the topic was improving or making green nudges at the directorate, and the fact that we were able to make direct contact with them, ask them some questions, see their office spaces, and gather insights for them was really crucial for the project, I think.
I believe it's very important to represent your values in your work, especially as a designer. I think we have kind of a responsibility to bring important messages out to the world and implement them in our designs. So I definitely will include sustainability more.